Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I power wash my car, walkway, and fence. So first step is to take out the power washer and connect the hose. Make sure that when you connect the hose that there are no leaks, and make sure the faucet is turned on to full power. Connect all the parts of the power washer as shown in the individual manual. Then select the proper attachment. For this specific power washer, you use the yellow-orange attachment for softer surfaces, like a car. Make sure the faucet is turned onto the highest setting and there are no leaks in the hose or any areas where the hose is bent. Now what you want to do is you want to drain the nozzle with the power washer off, making sure that there's no dirt or debris in the nozzle that'll get trapped and mess up your machine. Now it's time to attach your power washer to the power. You want to make sure you have an extension cord in handy because you'll be moving a lot with the power washer. Now that you're connected to the power, press your button and turn the power washer on. Never let your power washer run without it being connected to a water source, and make sure it's cold water. Now we're going to start washing this car. I'm giving a 360 view so you can see all the pollen buildup that was on it before I washed. When washing the surface, make sure you're wearing protective gear like glasses and you have on shoes, unlike me. When washing my car, I like to start with the windows and anything that is glass first and then move on to the body. You usually want to work in a top to bottom motion. The closer you are to a surface, the more pressure or power will be applied to that surface. The further you are, the less pressure. So if you have something serious that you want to get off, you might want to be a little closer. After finishing my car, I went on to our walkway. Now you can see how much dirt has built up on that walkway over time. And that's what we're going to be targeting today. Before beginning, I'll switch my attachment to the circular one that applies pressure in a circular motion and has a brush attachment because it makes it easier to clean larger or wider surfaces. Black, yellow, and blue came with the machine. The other one I had to buy separate. So now I'm going from bottom to top. So you want to start with the lower surfaces first and work your way up when you're power washing a driveway or walkway. Again, be safe, wear goggles, wear shoes, because if that water hits your toes, you're probably going to cry. Here's a slowed down view so you can see how the power washer is working on this surface. As you're working, you might want someone to help you move the power washer. If not, it's okay, you can do it yourself because you're strong and independent. And now I am done with my walkway, so I am switching the attachment yet again so that I can go over my work. Again, make sure you drain before starting the actual power washer. Make sure there's nothing clogging it. I do this to get rid of any dirt that might have splashed back onto the walkway while I was power washing. This is the walkway. I'm showing you while it's still a bit wet, and then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like once it's dry. Now we're going to move on to the fence. There's a lot of dirt, grime buildup that's been on this fence for a while, and now that we have a power washer, we're finally going to tackle it. There's a little section that I did because I got excited and forgot to record at first. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video and would like to see more of it. Here is how the fence looks after I power washed it. I think the results are pretty good. Okay, so now it's all dry. See the very clear before and after difference. In the backyard, it's definitely a job for another day.